Hello friends, we are making Crackle coasters, the Crackle effect on a coaster. For this, I'm going to apply base with Camel Gesso. When it dries, I'll apply a coat of brown color. This is regular acrylic color, and this is the Crackle medium from Bitsy. So starting with the base coat. Fasten of the process, I'm using a dryer. Now we'll apply brown acrylic color. You can use any dark shade. This brown color will be seen from the cracks. So it's up to you which color you want to be seen from the cracks. Accordingly, you can apply. You can leave it to dry. But I'm just going to dry it with a dryer. And now the third step is apply the Crackle medium. This is a tissue I've selected. Place the tissue and remaining area I'm going to apply the Crackle medium. It is not to be applied very thin or medium coat. Lift the medium and go on placing it around the tissue. Now this is to be dried naturally, just leave it to dry. And after it dries, we'll apply white paint on this. The Crackle medium is dried up. And now we'll dab white color. This is the white acrylic color. We'll dab this color. A very thin layer. Try to cover the brown color in one dab only. Do not overdo it. And here where we are going to stick the tissue, you can make it thicker. Now we leave this to dry. See, the cracks have already started popping out. Let this completely dry naturally. Then we'll stick the tissue over it. This white color has dried up. Now I'm sticking this motif this way. Remove the extra plies from behind. Using glossy Modpodge. Apply a thin layer. Here is the motif. Dry and apply one more coat of Modpodge over this. Sand the extra tissue. Now we'll do the distressing of the edges. I've taken lemon yellow. I've added little bit of brown to this. And on the edges, I'm going to again apply brown color. Distressing it with two colors. Now these distressed colors have dried up. Final step is varnishing with this Asian Paints Aquador interior. Sometimes students have a problem that they do not get this varnish. So I would recommend this Bossini Clear spray, which I have used on this Crackle coaster. It is a very beautiful varnish. It gives a very nice finish. But the only thing you have to remember is that you have to spray it from a distance and keep it outside the window and spray it. Okay. But here we are going to use the Aquador interior for this. I always keep this varnish in a small container so that it is easy to use. So apply a thin coat as we usually do. Spread it evenly. And behind the coaster you can apply any color of your choice. The coaster is ready.